You got your lips looking so good. How can I go wrong? Goddamn, you even got me writing you a brand new song. Something so special, you know it. But even in candlelight, sometimes the prettiest things poison life. It's got me thinking that the love of my life is hiding an ulterior motive. I wasn't born yesterday, so don't fuck with me tonight. Did it satisfy your fantasy? Just tell me what it's like. And lies, don't give them to me. Don't need your lies, don't give them. I don't need your lies, come give it to me. I don't need your lies, don't give it to me. Don't need your lies, don't give them. I don't need your lies, don't give it to me.
Comecei em março de 2018, desde a versão chinesa. Tenho muita vontade de ser profissional nesse game, por isso me dedico muito tempo a ele. Tento intercalar trabalho com o próprio jogo. Jogo mais ou menos de média umas 6 a 8 horas por dia. Sempre gostei de jogos de FPS, mobile. Joguei Modern Strike Online, FWD, Critical Ops. Joguei mais ou menos de média 1 ano, mais ou menos. Mas depois que conheci o PUBG Mobile, gostei muito. Tanto que estou nele até hoje. E só agradeço meus primeiros 1000 inscritos no YouTube. Tamo junto mesmo, rapaziada. Muito obrigado.
They told him, don't you ever come around here. Don't wanna see your face, you better disappear.